you.
So we have the shells made of semolina and all-purpose flour. We have
We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Good morning, Seattle. Wow, so beautiful. 9 in the morning. Amazing.
सुबह की स्नो तो आपने देख ली. अब दोपहर के अराउंड 2 बज रहे हैं. मैं हस्बैंड के रेस्टोरेंट आई हूँ. उन्होंने मेरे लिए ये जिंजर टी भिजवाई है बिकॉज मैं बीमार हूँ एंड ही लव्स टू टेक केयर ऑफ मी. And it's almost hubby's break time. Hi again everyone. We are out and about to a very beautiful place. Hubby had been there before. So on his break time he's taking me there. So let's go and stay tuned. Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Prachi. I'm an international flight attendant currently at Seattle, spending my winter vacation with my husband. We both are in a long distance marriage since past 5 years, and yes, that's how we manage. Where there's a will, there's a way, isn't it? So right now we are on our way to the SNOQUALMIE waterfalls. चलो इस राइड को एंजॉय करते हैं. SNOQUALMIE Falls Park. Maybe I'm all excited to explore this. Chalo, thank you for bringing me here. Let's go. Oh my god! Oh my god! So beautiful! Oh my god! Oh my god! Thank you for bringing me here. It's so beautiful guys, as you saw, and it's really amazing place. अभी हम सिर्फ SNOQUALMIE waterfalls ही cover कर रहे हैं because अभी is on break. We don't have much time, but it's really a wonderful place. Thank you so much, Liao. Look at this guys, so beautiful. पता नहीं if the lens is doing justice to this natural beauty, but guys, with naked eyes, this place is literally so beautiful. मुझे हमारे कश्मीर के टिलियन लेक की याद आ गई. I'm pinning the video in the comment section. Do check it out.
This is the park.
Oh, this is the trekking.
Not trekking.
I mean trail. चले थोड़ा नीचे.
थोड़ा सा चलो.
ये मेरी यहाँ फोटो. अभी तो सब ड्राई आउट हो गया ना बिकॉज ऑफ द सीजन. Yeah. Low oxygen. Low Oregon grape.
Yeah. You'll actually see all those things.
Yeah.
It gets very slippery here.
Okay.
Be careful.
कहीं ना जा, आज कहीं मत जा, फिर मिले.
ऐसे ही पूरा नीचे नीचे है.
हाँ, got it.
Going down 1-1.5 घंटा लगेगा.
No. We'll stick to this point only.
See the park.
Yeah.
कितना dense है देखो जंगल.
We are not going there, guys. We are not going there.
See how dense it is. We have to go all the way down there.
Wow. We are not going down that trail because there are 3 reasons. Firstly, the weather is not good. Snowy, rainy. Right now, अभी तो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, thankfully. We don't have umbrella also. Second point, hubby is on break. We have to return. It's his work day. Third point, we are supremely sick. I don't know अगर आपको वॉइस से समझ में आ रहा है तो हम ज़्यादा एक्सर्ट नहीं करना चाहते. बस ये पॉइंट तक ठीक है. वाटरफॉल्स भी देख ली, आपके संग भी शेयर कर लिया. नाउ विल गेट बैक टू द टॉप लेवल है ना?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll eat something here. Head back to Bellevue Square. चलो baby.
No.
और ये स्नोकुलमी वाटरफॉल पार्क की ही कैफ़े है, इंक्लूसिव ऑफ दी सोवेनियर्स एज वेल. तो अभी हम सोच रहे हैं अच्छी सी कॉफ़ी पिएं. इन दिस वेदर वी नीड कॉफ़ी अगेन. एंड लेट्स सी इफ़ यू बाय समथिंग लाइक मैग्नेट्स और समथिंग. देखते हैं. इट्स नॉट अ मस्ट, विल सी. एंड या आई एम फुल्ली क्लैड बिकॉज जब बीमार होते हैं तो और यू नीड टू वेयर प्रॉपर क्लोथ्स एज वेल. आ जाओ. Finally, he's having the bread that we had given him. Look at this. Such a sweet. Come on, come on. Take more.
He's very friendly. Oh yeah. He's our little guy. We feed him a lot.
Oh yeah, I could tell.
I'm sure, yeah.
बच्चा अपना स्नैक खा रहा है आराम से.
And it's time for us to leave. Are you happy? Now it's Hubby's turn to receive the gift, and I'm gifting him Apple iPhone 16 along with Ray-Ban Meta glasses. While at work, Hubby got me this nice saffron jaggery chai, good wali chai. Thank you, baby. I love you. Thank you. हाँ पी लेते जाओ. I just want two, baby, two. Okay, fine. Thank you.
I'm gonna go back
Okay.
and I'll text you around 7.
All right. Bye.
So I have some nitrogen here I'm going to put in. So we have the shells made of semolina and all-purpose flour. We have some quinoa and the fruits inside the shells. This is spice, pineapple water in the center. You need to pour in the shells and take it like a shot.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I wanted you to try this. Oh yeah, okay. Listen.
Hi.
Take this with you.
Awesome.
Thank you so much, baby.
And we called it a night by Hubby's creation of this delicious ras malai. Considering it's my last day today in Seattle, both of us are really enjoying every moment together. Our first snowfall together. What more can I say? Of course, I'm happy, emotional. Long distance had never been easy, but yes, until now we have been maintaining it with all our love and devotion. Where there's a will, there's a way. Stay strong, all long distance couples. Now we are at Blazing Bagels. थोड़ी सी snowfall कम हुई है. Hubby and I are enjoying our breakfast. He has to leave for work. Of course, we are gonna miss each other. What to do? Hubby has left for work already. I'm here with another cup of coffee and waiting for snow to little bit calm down. I'm back to my place and already I have checked in for my flight as well. I've chosen my preferred seat and everything is done. Bas final packing karni hai. And look at this lovely picture from Venetian. It's approximately 12:30. Snowfall ruk chuki hai. I have to leave now. See you downstairs. Okay, I've booked Uber. Hubby won't be able to come to drop me to the airport and that is absolutely fine. I do understand work commitments, you know how things are as a thorough professional myself.